Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shameen and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So today's video is going to be some colorful abstract square nails. My client wanted these nails and she got a picture from off the internet, so I am going to post it here and then I'm going to show you exactly how I did this set. So let's go. So the shape and length I'm using today is medium square. In the picture, the person had the nails really long, but my client wanted the nails slightly shorter, so we opted to go with the medium square shape and length. So now I'm just going to prep the nails using primer, and what the primer does is that it takes the shine off of the nails, so when we put our gel polish on it, it will stick to the nails and it wouldn't have any lifting or peeling. So of course we're going to do that for all of the nails, and then we're going to go in with our base color. So now that we're finished with the prep, we're going in with the base color. It's called Cozy Cashmere and it's from iGel Beauty. Why I love Cozy Cashmere as a base color is because it goes with any skin tone. Even if I didn't get a good look at the client's hands before making the set, it just goes well with everyone. I have used it so many times as bases for sets like these, especially with French tips. So I think I did 3 coats of Cozy Cashmere because I wanted to have full coverage on the nails so that you couldn't see through it or anything like that. And yeah, then we're going to get into our design. So now this is me adding the second coat, and finally here I'm adding the third coat. Of course I sped up the video slightly, just for the sake of time. And once we're finished with the third coat, we're going to cure it in the UV lamp and then we're going to start on our design. So now that we're finished with the base color, we're going to get into our design, and we're just taking out our mixing palette here because we're going to be using a lot of colors. So let me show you the picture of this set again, so you can see how many different colors we have to use to bring this set together. So the first colors here are red, burgundy, a light yellow, and a more bright yellow. All of these colors are from iGel Beauty. This design is basically some abstract design. We have some swirls, and they're going to be outlined with some other bold, bright colors. So basically for this video, all you have to do is watch and see how I did these nails. That is like a look and learn tutorial. I think I spoke about it before in one of my videos. These are one of the designs where you just can't, you can't give a tutorial on it. You just basically look at how I did it with the brush and keep referencing the picture in order to, make the set as close as possible to the inspo pic. Basically, all you're doing is drawing the shapes you want to get, imitating the picture as best as you could, of course, fill it in with the color, put it to cure, and then once we've finished doing all of that, we're going to do the outline of these different abstract shapes with the various colors that we'll be using. So I felt like the red was getting lost on the nails, so I added some more red to the design. To the nail, and yeah, so I'll just put that in the UV lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and then we're moving on to the other nails. Now this is how my mixing palette looks with all of the colors that we'll be using. So we're going to watch, basically, as I said, look and learn. The video will be slightly sped up, and I will check back in when we're ready to do our outlines. By the way, if you like nail videos like this and nail content like this, especially for press-on nails, or if you have a press-on nail business, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated every time I post a new video. So we're really trying to grow our channel here on YouTube. We have hit the 400 subscriber mark, which is so impressive, So I'll just continue to keep working hard, making videos for you all so that we could continue to grow this channel and, more importantly, learn about different ways to do nails, nail art, press-on nails, actually anything nails related. So these are how the first 5 nails look after doing the design, and now we're going to start our outline. While I was doing this set, I was continuously referring to the inspo pick so that we could get the colors right. So the first one was this burgundy, and the only tip I'll just really say here regarding using or doing this outline is just to have the right amount of polish on your brush. So you could do some trial and error until you have, till you feel comfortable with the amount of polish on your brush. And this is a really thin brush I have here. I think it's one of the thinnest brushes I have from Libra Nails Art. Nail Art or Nails Art, I can't remember. But yeah, just average the amount of polish on the brush so you could do your outline. And of course we're going to be doing this for all 10 of the nails. So again, just look and learn. I will let the background music play and you could follow along. Okay, checking back in briefly, we are halfway through this set. As you can see, I've already done 1 or 5 nails or half with the design and the outline. So now we're moving on to the other hand, and at this point in time my hand was tired. This nail set is very time consuming, but the results are so worth it. So we're just going to speed through this one, and then I will show you how all of the nails look after, and then we're going to be doing the outline. What I like about this design in particular is that the outline colors are so bright and bold, it really makes the set pop. Now the inspo pic the client sent me, I'm not too sure where she got it from, maybe from Instagram. But the thing is, I actually saw this picture on Pinterest and Instagram and I saved it. But it was such a coincidence that somebody asked me to make this exact set, so I was really happy to do it. The only difference between this set and the inspo pic is that my client did not want the rhinestones with her set. So we'll just be doing it without the rhinestones. So now it's time to encapsulate these nails with some Builder gel. And of course, we're going to be doing that over all of the nails. And this one, we're going to put in the UV lamp to cure for 1 minute. And then we're going to wipe off that sticky layer and then buff the nails smooth. Every time you use Builder gel and it comes out of the lamp, there's a really sticky layer on top of it, that could cake up your file if you don't wipe it off. So we're going to wipe this off with some alcohol, leave it to dry for a few, and now we're going in with the buffer to smooth off these nails so that we can add our top coat to it after. So these are how the nails look after filing, shaping them and buffing them smooth. And we're just taking our brush to get rid of any excess dust. And then I'm also going to go back in with some alcohol and wipe them off just to make sure there's no dust or anything for when we're ready to apply our top coat. So the top coat I'm using, as I usually use, is I-Gel's No Cleanse Top Coat. And I really like it because it cures in 30 seconds and it's really nice, thick, and most importantly, very shiny. So we're going to apply, top coat to all 10 of the nails, and then we'll see the finished look. These are how the nails look after it's been cured with its top coat, and they're so nice and shiny. And now we're going to be laying them out just to double check them before we package them up for our client. Once I'm satisfied with how the nails look, it's time to package it up, and I am using my custom card. The name of my press-on nail business is 123 Press the Nail Collection, and we're securing the nails to the card using double-sided tape so that they do not move between, me finishing package it and getting it to my client, whether it's by delivering it myself or via our local courier service called TT Post. So that's basically it for this set. Once I was satisfied with the packaging, these are how the nails look out in the sunlight, and even without the rhinestones, the set still looks great, and my client was really satisfied with the nails. But now I'm going to check back in to tell you all goodbye. Hi again. So that was it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you like videos like this, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video, and of course subscribe to this channel so that you could be updated when I post another nail video. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day or good night or whatever time it is where you're living. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.